Ted and I were literally almost elbow to elbow, and they brought in this drummer, and I had to say to them, thank you, please stop playing the drums. And they brought a pigeon, or no, a parrot. And a parrot, that's a great radio bit. Oh, look at the parrot.
How about it? Did they have a mime?
The parrot had diarrhea and began to shit up a storm in this little tiny control room. And the parrot shitting on the floor, and Ted and I we had to shoot them out. God. And I think of mornings like that, and I think, they paid us. They paid us for that morning.
What did you do today?
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, I got a good story for you.